So in Ruby, there are 5 different types of variables. Now, let's talk about 2 of them, the local and global variables specifically. So let's create a Ruby file in our existing project examples. File name is scopes.rb. In Ruby, each type of variable is accessible according to a variable's scope. A variable's scope is defined by where the variable is initialized or created. Variable scope is defined by a block. As you know, blocks are code statements, usually delimited by curly braces or do-end keywords. Right, so let's do an exercise. Ruby has a built-in method called times, which executes code blocks on given times. So 3 times do end, it means the inner code block will be executed 3 times, right? So A equals 2. It's simply initializing a variable. Outside of block, put A, save it and run, and it shows an undefined local variable error because A is not accessible when it's outside of the block. It is a local variable for times code block. But what if we initialize it before the times method? A equals 5. Save it and run, and it shows the new value of the variable. Now what about variables within methods? A equals 1. Create a method named test. Def test. A equals 5. Put A is a local variable. Call the method test. Run it, and it shows the print statement. Is the value of the variable changed? Put A. Run it, and it shows 1. So variable's value is not changed because the variable A in the method is not the same as the outer variable A. They are different variables in different scopes. Okay, so another type of variable is the global variable. Global variables begin with the $sign. So create a global variable, A equals 1. As you noticed, our editor, Aptana, shows global variables highlighted in red. So put A is a global variable. Create method def test. Puts A equals global variable A in interpolation. So let's call the method test. Save it and run it, and it shows a global variable. So sure enough, we can also access global variables in other scopes. So why don't we try to change the value of a global variable? A equals 5. Now let's check the variable if it's changed after calling the method. Puts A, save it and run it, and it shows a new value of the global variable. And so there you have it. We can indeed update global variables.